Oh, get ready folks, because the excitement in the camera world is reaching new heights. The buzz surrounding the upcoming DJI Pocket 4 is nothing short of electric. Can you believe it's already time to talk about a new pocket camera? It feels like the Pocket 3 just launched, yet here we are again. Leaks, insider whispers, and rumors flooding the scene, all hinting at DJI's most ambitious handheld gimbal camera yet. The company that practically reinvented pocket-sized filmmaking seems ready to do it again. And this time, they're not just polishing an old formula, they're breaking boundaries. From what's surfacing, the Pocket 4 could bring a new wave of cinematic creativity that fits right in your hand. Whether you're a seasoned vlogger, a filmmaker, or just someone who loves capturing life in stunning quality, this might be the most exciting leap we've seen from DJI's Pocket lineup. So grab your gear, creators, because the Pocket 4 could change everything you thought possible from a camera this small. Welcome back to Technify, where we explore the tech that's redefining how stories are told. The DJI Pocket 4 is shaping up to be the direct evolution of the beloved Osmo Pocket 3, a camera that earned massive praise for its crisp 4K video, rock-steady stabilization, and powerful 1-inch sensor. But this time, DJI appears to be reimagining what a compact gimbal camera can be. One of the most exciting rumors? A dual-lens camera setup. That's right, for the first time ever in the Pocket series, we could see two lenses working together in a device that fits in your palm. The main sensor is expected to retain its 1-inch CMOS design, now optimized for superior low-light performance, more dynamic range, and richer color reproduction. The secondary lens could either be a telephoto for tighter cinematic framing or an ultra-wide for epic travel shots and vlogging versatility, giving creators complete flexibility without swapping lenses or accessories. Adding even more intrigue, there's talk that DJI could introduce Hasselblad color tuning to the Pocket 4. If true, that means you can expect beautifully natural skin tones, vibrant yet balanced colors, and that signature film-like aesthetic that's made DJI drones so visually stunning. Combined with 10-bit D-Log M color and improved noise reduction, footage from the Pocket 4 could rival much larger cameras in both depth and detail. Then there's the performance side. Rumors suggest the Pocket 4 will push 8K recording at 30 frames per second, alongside 4K up to 120 frames per second, and possibly even 4K at 240 frames per second for breathtaking slow-motion shots. With an upgraded image processor under the hood, this tiny powerhouse could deliver cinematic-level video quality in a device that slips into your pocket. But DJI isn't just focused on resolution and specs, they're also improving how you shoot. A major highlight could be the new ActiveTrack 7.0 system, featuring smarter AI subject recognition, better motion prediction, and smoother gimbal transitions. Whether you're walking, running, or capturing fast-paced action, the Pocket 4 could keep your subject locked in frame with pro-level precision. Design-wise, DJI might introduce a 2.5-inch rotatable OLED screen, perfect for vloggers who want flexible framing from any angle. Combine that with a more ergonomic grip, enhanced cooling for extended 8K recording, and a ruggedized design possibly rated for water and dust resistance, and you've got a camera ready for any environment. Connectivity upgrades like Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.3 are also on the horizon, ensuring faster transfers, stable wireless control, and seamless integration with the updated DJI Mimo app, which may include AI-assisted editing tools and automatic framing for solo creators. Altogether, these features paint a picture of a camera designed for modern storytellers, blending powerful optics, smart tracking, and intuitive controls into one compact, portable package. If these leaks hold true, the Pocket 4 could be a monumental step forward, offering a blend of professional-grade video capabilities and user-friendly versatility. For creators, travelers, vloggers, and filmmakers alike, the DJI Pocket 4 looks like the perfect fusion of innovation and practicality. This isn't just another gimbal camera. It's potentially the future of pocket-sized cinematography, built to empower anyone to capture life with creativity and clarity. Creators, it looks like the future of handheld filmmaking is about to get a serious upgrade. The rumored DJI Pocket 4 seems poised to take everything we loved about the Pocket 3, portability, smooth footage, and ease of use, and push it to cinematic new heights. With its rumored dual camera design, advanced color science, 8K video capability, and smarter AI tracking, it's shaping up to be more than just a tool. It's a creative companion built for today's generation of storytellers. Imagine holding a device that can capture stunning wide shots, intimate portraits, and fluid motion, all with the precision of a professional gimbal. That's the kind of freedom DJI might be delivering next. Whether you're filming your next travel adventure or creating cinematic masterpieces on the go, the Pocket 4 could redefine what shooting on the move truly means. Stay tuned here on Technify for all the latest updates, breakdowns, and reviews of the tech shaping the creative world. Because when innovation meets imagination, that's when the real magic happens.